talking about understanding grid system and UI design using Figma. First, let's define layout grids. Layout grids, they are visual aids that help us keep elements precisely aligned in our frames. And if let's say we are designing a web, grid can be helpful when thinking of responsive design or how our design will appear on different screens. It could also help us to know the layout to adjust when the frame shrinks. When the frame shrinks or grows. To add a layout grid rather. Let's erase this. You go to the middle section of the design property panel and you see the layout grid. Click on plus. Automatically there's a default setting for grid, but you can also adjust the grid setting or the layout grid setting here. Let's click on that. From here you can adjust the size, the color and the opacity. Let's increase the size to 20, the color, okay, let's say blue, and then the opacity to like 30. So you can see the changes, and there are different types of layout grid. We have the columns, we have the rows, and we have the uniform grid. So let's create a new one. Let's click on the columns. And under the columns, we have count, we have color, we have opacity, we have type, width, and margin. The margin is the distance between the frame and the outermost edges of the layout grid. Under the count, okay, here we have 5. Let's change it to 12. We can change the color to like yellow. Then the opacity, let's say to like 50%. So we can see this. The stretch, under the stretch form, the width is in auto mode. It can be edited. It's fixed. But in the center, the width is fluid. You can adjust it. Let's say 30. And in the center form, the center form is mostly used when designing an ultra wide display. We have the right, the foremost right, we have the left. So let's keep it stretched. Okay, the gutter is the distance between rows and columns, the space between rows and columns. So let's create another one for the rows, and then we'll see what rows is all about. Okay, the same thing goes on for the rows. We have count, color, opacity, stretch, height instead of width in this sense, and margin and gutter. So same thing under stretch, the height is in auto mode, it's fixed, it can be adjusted. But let's increase the count to 12, then the opacity to 15. So it's also under the forms. We have center, we have bottom, and we have top. So here you can see that the height is fluid, and can actually adjust it to whatever we want. So let's see, the gutter is 30. So you can see the changes. Basically, layout grid helps us perfect or make sure our designs are perfectly aligned or precisely aligned. So the next lecture or the next lesson we'll talk more about it. So let's review what we've learned. Layout grids can be with columns or rows. Columns and rows have 4 types: stretch, left, right, center, then the top or bottom for the rows. You can have multiple layout grids on a single frame, as you've seen here. You can toggle this one off. You can see. Then margin is the space between the outermost edges of the layout grid. And gutter is the space between rows and column. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.